Have you ever been excited to make a recipe only to figure out last minute that you don't have all of the ingredients? I have. This can be pretty disappointing. Do I take the time to run out to the store, or do I change my cooking plan altogether? Neither of these sound like convenient ideas. Why don't we think about alternatives for recipe ingredients that we already have at home? Let's go through the categories of cooking ingredients. Let's say it's food class 2.0. First of all, acids. If a recipe calls for an acid, they can mostly be interchangeable in recipes. Acids help to liven the flavor of foods and reduce the need for salt, and contribute to the leavening and tenderization of foods. Lemon, lime, different types of vinegars, and white wine all can be used to function as an acid in a recipe. Sweets. A sweet flavor can come from many sources, not just our standard sugar. Applesauce and mashed bananas, vanilla, cinnamon, coconut sugar, honey, maple syrup, monk fruit, and erythritol are all options that increase the sweetness of a recipe. Flour or thickener. In most baked goods, almond flour can be substituted for all-purpose flour in a 1:1 ratio, and coconut flour in a 1:4 ratio. If you need to thicken a sauce, you can use flour, arrowroot starch, or cornstarch. Eggs. This can be a tricky one since eggs add liquid and also a good amount of leavening to recipes. If you don't have eggs or cannot consume them, you can make a flax egg by soaking 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed into 3 tablespoons of water for several minutes before adding to the recipe. Also, 1/2 of a mashed banana plus 1/2 of a teaspoon baking powder is another great option. Buttermilk or yogurt. It's easy to make at-home buttermilk. Simply add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or vinegar into about 1 cup of milk, stir, and let sit for 10 minutes. This will help curdle the milk into buttermilk. Sour cream, buttermilk, and yogurt can all be used interchangeably. I hope you take note of these recipe swaps and use them to streamline your cooking process. If there are ingredient alternatives you're wondering about, your nutrition coach will be happy to support you. Have fun in the kitchen!